Hello and welcome to Chester Peugeot. My name's Charlotte and today I'll be taking you around this approved used Peugeot vehicle. Just landed in stock, we do have the stylish Peugeot 3008 PureTech Active Premium that does come as a 2022 model, complemented in the gorgeous Bianca White exterior, really giving it that fresh look. It does come equipped with your 1.2 petrol engine, making it the ideal spacious upgrade as a nippy city runaround. With just one previous owner, it does come in exceptional condition and producing 129 brake horsepower. It does come with enhanced visibility with your LED daytime running headlights with your Peugeot 3-claw effect rear design. For added protection, you do have your power folding heated door mirrors alongside your 17-inch Chicago alloys and of course parking sensors and rear view camera for those tighter spots. Moving into your boot area, you will find a capacity of 520 litres, so more than enough space for your travel needs, alongside a very comfortable full cloth interior with your fitted ice fix points and central climate vents. Moving into your front interior now, you will find your multifunctional steering wheel with access to your Peugeot iCockpit and a central touch display screen, providing a full entertainment all round. You do have more than enough storage in your central console alongside your two front cloth seats again. To seamlessly navigate around the vehicle, you will find your mounted audio controls alongside your options to navigate around your Peugeot iCockpit. So as you can see, you do have all your vital driving data displayed on there. Moving across into your central touch display screen, you do have your various audio options, including your Bluetooth connection with your MirrorLink and Android Auto, and this does allow you to make hands-free calls. You do also have a wide selection of radio stations to keep you and your travelling passengers entertained on those longer trips, along with your USB and iPod connection options. You do also have your on-screen driving functions, including your lane assist, so this will reduce the chance of any minor bumps, alongside your 180-degree colour reversing camera, which will be activated when you do pop the car into reverse, equipped with your zoom view mode, so this is ideal in those tighter parking spaces, followed with your on-screen display of your dual climate control, meaning you can have a more tailored temperature throughout the vehicle, and it will eliminate any disagreements over temperature. You are complemented just below by your main driving functions alongside various climate controls. You do have plenty of storage located just below alongside your start-stop engine button for efficiency and central cup holders. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. If you would like any further information regarding this vehicle, please give our friendly team a call on 01244 883 072 or inquire online now.